Morning, friends. We read 2 Corinthians 9, verse 8. And God is able to make all grace abound toward you, that you, always having all sufficiency in all things, may have an abundance for every good work. Please pray with me. Father, today I declare that you are able. You supply grace in abundance so that I can live generously and purposefully. I release fear of lack and trust your provision. Teach me to steward what you give wisely. Let me live ready for every good work you prepare. I choose faith over limitation, and I trust that you provide enough for obedience. I step forward with confidence, knowing that you equip me. I receive your grace for today and trust you for tomorrow. I am blessed, equipped, and sent for you to work through me, and I commit my life to you again today. Amen.